Hi, good morning, everyone. Let's wait for 2, 3 more minutes because we have announced just now, so that few more people will come and join. And let's talk about few latest things I want to share, or it's kind of interaction, not kind. We are busy with month-end activities, but I felt like okay, let's connect for some 30 minutes to 1 hour to talk to people who have been watching our videos every day. At least 2 to 2500 unique people are watching our videos. I'm blessed for that. And hundreds of people on Udemy every day. Unique people I'm mentioning, the not about the views and all. So let's talk. And if you have any inputs about the new topics, or how to improve the utilization, how to improve the sharing knowledge, if you have any good suggestion, I'm always ready to take it. If any feedback or any kind of improvements, any suggestions, because it's not being done for a certain purpose. Okay, do for 1 year, then leave it when I want to change the job or when I want to do that one. It's not like that. It's passion. I have been doing since 2015, and with all of your blessings and good health, I want to do for a few more years. Later, our 1,000+ videos will still help people, irrespective whether I will make new videos or not. Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks, Pratik. Thanks, Gaurav. Thanks, Shivprasad. Shivprasad, you don't have to worry to ask too many times same question. So you would have heard from different members and all. AI will not replace SAP consultants. Okay, that's a basic thing we need to understand, right? It can reduce the jobs in certain area and it will generate new opportunities for new people because we got generative AI, business AI. Okay, multiple artificial intelligence things are coming in SAP itself. SAP BTP, the public cloud is using more AI functionalities. So we are getting many new jobs in SAP with AI. At the same time, there will be few opportunities will be reduced because AI can make certain things. So the 10 people working in a project, maybe it may be reduced to 6 people, 7 people, some 2, 3 people will be impacted. At the same time, there will be one generative AI consultant will come. So there will be 1 or 2 new opportunities also will be coming. So you don't have to worry too much about that one. So if a person has an attitude to learn new things, a person has an attitude to work as a team, a person has a skill or attitude to manage the team, then you don't have too much worry. And if you have many concerns, I made one podcast. I don't know, the people are too busy or people are not interested other than interview questions. I have to tell in a bold way. So, but I have to tell there are a lot of valuable inputs, valuable content on our channel related to learning a concept or ABAP code like logic. How do you prepare as a function consultant? Even there is a podcast like I mentioned just now, 10 to 15 years of IT career by Ganesh Padala. You can just search with that text. Okay, even I can show you here. 10 to 15 years of Ganesh and IT career by Ganesh Padala. Okay, everyone must watch this podcast. So, how to manage career? I explained that how to make your life peaceful and successful with three things, and also the fourth one, which is important. You can watch that. See, 1 month completed only 385. Because people might think that one this video is only for 10 to 15 years. No, if you don't know what I explained in that, you may face struggle when you reach to the 10 years of experience. So everyone, whether you are a fresher, you are 2 years experience or 3 years experience, you must watch this video. I'm sure that you will get at least 1% of inputs, because that video is purely made with real examples and my personal life and personal experience, how I have grown. And see, we cannot give complaints, we cannot give excuses to everyone, right? I was born in a small village, I studied completely Telugu medium, so nobody is interested to listen that one. Maybe few people may show sympathy, but we don't want sympathy can feed you one while someone can give you food for one day. Okay, but if you enhance your skills and if you grow, then what happens, you can help thousands of people, and you can help the close people in financially some other way, and you can have a good life and peaceful life. So that's the thing. So that's what my question about that AI. Okay, so generative AI, business AI, SAP B2P, these things if you learn, you are in the race in the AI in SAP also. So how are you doing today? Like how frequent you come to our channel? Okay, how frequent you come and what you do? You just when you see that YouTube feed, you just watch the video or else use our playlist. I always mention, right? Please use our playlist. Okay, when you come to our channel, go to the playlist. Okay, you can select which one you wanted to know. Tables, SAP tables related you wanted to learn, then we have 11 videos. Okay, these are all podcasts to inform or to inspire or to share few inputs. Rollout, you want to know that what is SAP rollout? Is it like implementation and rollout? What is the difference between implementation and rollout? Those all things are available in this one. So latest real-time interview question and answers. You can see a few interview questions and answers in this playlist. And S4 HANA, we added multiple S4 HANA videos on our channel already. You can go through that one. And this is about S4 HANA latest updates. Every year S4 HANA is releasing, right? On-premise 2 years once, but public cloud, private cloud, the cloud related, they're releasing every year 2 times. You can go through, you can learn what latest updates are happening in the market. SAP quizzes on YouTube community. Okay, you can see that multiple quizzes we conducted on YouTube community. I explained by explaining the each question and answer and what is exactly the purpose, the business process or interview questions. You can get that one. 9 videos are available. So you want to prepare a better resume, cover letter. There are 12 videos are available with respect to how to make your career plan with LinkedIn, those things and all. You can get that. ECC S4HANA differences, we have 3 videos and there are few S4HANA sales and distribution related videos are available. And if you see that LSNW related videos are there, S4HANA warehouse management is there, and support project, what is SLA, what is L1, L2, and what is priority, what is critical. Okay, what is priority? How do you manage your support role? What are the sample support tickets? Even I'm going to announce to all of you that one. I'm planning how to release that content. So I'm in a process of around 300 SAP real-time support issue solution or interview. Few can be interview questions and few are pure support issues and solutions. I'm going to release, but I'm planning to make it like whether we make it like a course or you make like a document and all, that's in progress. So I'm going to come up with in 2024 itself. I think mostly in 2 months I'm planning to release that in a different ways. Okay, if it is a form of videos or Google Drive, it is easier for me. If I want to plan certain new platform, definitely I have to explore and it will take some more time. 3PL, what is third party limited? Okay, so like third party, we can mostly can call like a 3PL is somewhat like a third party warehouse. Okay, mostly when we are connecting our inventory management or sales in SAP, we are connecting to a third party warehouse. What happened? We mentioned like 3PL means we use for the third party logistics. Okay, so for example, purchase order is creating in our SAP in the company and we send to the vendor, but vendor will send the goods to the 3PL warehouse. The 3PL will perform the goods receipt, but they will send certain information like purchase order, quantity, material, vendor, that information to SAP. So in SAP through inbound IDOC, we have IDOC or API, what you are going to use it. So we are going to post the goods receipt. Okay, you will learn a lot of business processes if you really focus on our playlist. So I'm not doing for just for fun, right? We are making a videos and trying my best to keep those videos in a proper folders. So if a person is serious to learn, come to playlist and see the subtopic and learn it. Not just scrolling. We are not watching some YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, right? Whatever comes, you just watch it and just for fun. You are learning SAP. You want to grow. So come to the playlist and select. Okay, let me learn. What is this must watch videos, or what is the career suggestions? Okay, let me this weekend. Let me finish these videos. Next weekend you can see that what is chart GPT related, okay, or anything Udemy related videos you want to check it. See business process related videos we have. So this is the way how you need to plan your preparation and how we are going to execute it. So let me check a few questions that. Yeah, hi Chandrasekhar. Like if you have a plan to learn from a trainer, like you want to learn class by class, or you want to learn on your own with with the help of a mentor, so you can send to my email, okay, so that we will try to do. Okay, so we have a few good attitude students from the old students, and so we can refer, and I will do my best to suggest you and help. Okay, if there are questions are quite common, I see generally the comments sometimes, and when I find the similar kind of a questions, I make a video, because we cannot address everyone. Even if I'm a full-time employee today, or in the future, if I become a freelancing, or if I become a part-time, but still cannot give reply to everyone, right? So I always try to make a video so that the video can be watched by 20,000 or 1 lakh people. There is no limit. But if I want to give a one-to-one guidance to someone, I have to filter a lot. I may not be able to uh, give such kind of suggestions to not even 0.1 0.2 percentage of the people. So that's where I like to make the content. I enjoy making content. Okay, so few people ask like how do you get the time to make it. So I'm not making studio with a lot of lighting, three people assistant, nothing, right? Single person, my brain, what I learned, what I'm experiencing, what I'm fixing every day in my company, in my project and all. From there I learn, okay, this concept, that concept and all. And I talk because of our habitual every day in the meetings itself. We have 3 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours of meetings, we talk, right? Similar way I talk. So it's not a big deal. Only the intention and the passion to share. Okay, then we get that weekly 1 hour, half an hour, 22 hours, 3 hours, whatever time we are going to spend for our passion, it will come. So only the complaint. That's what I was mentioning, right? Even I complain about the management. So I'm not that interested in managing, or I don't want to become a project manager, because that is my complaint. Because I don't want to do that, so I'm complaining for that. To escape, or to make, I don't want to do what I don't like. I make my own world of content creation, or proper savings, and enjoy what I do. So these are all helped me to avoid what I don't want to do. So there's only a complaint. That's what I'm telling. Like people say, people don't have a time to learn something. People don't have a time to do their job efficiently with a proper solution to the client, but they have a time to watch web series without missing anything. People may say that's my entertainment, so we cannot. But if you, what you do, if you enjoy, so people work as a SAP consultant, but their enjoyment is with photography. People work as SAP consultant, but they are passionate to do the share market, or else something Bitcoin, whatever. So here many things it happen, like they do something, they think about something else. I am thankful to God for making me that. During my tenure, 12 years of SAP consulting experience now, I may work for a few more years. These many years, I enjoyed what I do. I learn from my work. I make the content from my project where I'm working, so that I'm able to do this today 1,000 plus videos, from 200 plus documents. All these are happening just because of passion. I don't have something to think, okay, SAP job is only for earning money or just for my managing, but my passion is something else. I met many people who said the same thing, not only for SAP job, even for any other job also. They always mention like I'm just doing the job for money or for EMI, for managing things, but I want to do something else. I want to do some business. I want to travel. or else I want to do photography, or else I want to do share market, I want to do something else. So you have 8 hours of work, you are not focusing, you are not enjoying what you do. How can you make something else to do? Then you leave it, but they cannot leave because they are not very sure that they will be successful in that field or not. So always what you do, enjoy, learn, do your best, results will follow. If you are keep complaining, if you are not focusing, if you are not ready to change, if you are not ready to learn, then your life will be always struggle. So I tell my, as a mentor, currently I'm working in our project as a mentor to guide few people and all. I tell the same thing: if you hesitate to learn, you always hesitate to talk, or you always struggle to do your work. If you know the concept, if you know the process, business process, if you know the design, how did they design the certain process, through customization, through standard, the interface, they used the FTPs or idocs, or they used RFC, or they used API. If you know very well from where the documents are coming, who is creating the PO, who is creating SO, from where that the deliveries are getting created, is it manual, auto, if you have that kind of command, when you're working in a support project, when you work in any project, the time you spend on a solution, the time you spend on analysis will reduce drastically. Without knowledge, you spend for the same similar kind of issue 10 hours. With great knowledge, great understanding of your solution, great understanding of the design, you can complete in 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, sometimes 30 minutes. Suddenly you got 6 hours of time. That 6 hours of time you can utilize for some other critical issues. 2 hours, the 1 hour you can utilize for your good exercise, go for a walk, or if you are very enthusiastic, you can go to gym, whatever you can do it. And 1 to 2 hours you can do something for your passion. How you are getting all this time? Because you have enhanced your skills and you are confident enough to communicate to the people. You have less escalations so that your mind is peaceful. Every day whenever you go to office, your lead or your manager is giving complaint that this client has escalated on you. Why didn't you complete on time? Why did you take 8 days for this small issue? So all these things, mantras you are getting every day to your brain, how can you get motivated to work? Correct? So that you need to plan, you have to learn, don't hesitate to learn whatever you like, whatever is in demand also you need to check it. So definitely you will see the success which you are looking for. Starting my career in SD module, yeah, SD, MM, FI, these are all core modules. It will be always good. You just go to our channel. We have a one playlist, education for SAP. Please share this one link to all of your friends. Whether you have studied MBA, whether you studied civil engineer, whatever you studied, based on the education for SAP career, we have 17 videos, 1 7. So in these videos, you will find the science graduates, MBA graduates, some commerce or accounts related graduates. What kind of module is suitable for you? I explained in that. Please watch it and you share with your circle so that someone will be benefited. There are a few podcasts are there, you can watch for getting some inspiration. And yeah, this one also you can watch it. I think last year May I met few of you in Pune, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, and Mumbai. So all those videos are available. That is my one time lifetime memory, one time efforts for the lifetime memory. We cannot, I couldn't even believe that I traveled only to meet few of our old students or YouTube members by doing work from home from morning 6:30 or 7 o'clock to till 4:30, and evening 5 o'clock, 6, whatever, and then working and then meeting people for the dinner at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. That each memory is lifetime I can cherish, because getting that kind of an opportunity to go and stay in a 5 6 days, taking a hotel, doing work, meeting people, okay, so that will never happen. And thanks to Panasonic for that, for giving that 1 month, every year 1 month work from India, that kind of opportunity I utilize to meet all of you. This year I have to plan somewhere in the November, but no such kind of meetings. But anyway, if I come to any city, because I'm fortunate that every city we have few people who wanted to meet Ganesh Padala, and even few people I wanted to meet. So I'm blessed for that, getting this much love from all over the India and 141 countries. Thanks to Udemy for that. YouTube, we reach generally 20 countries, 15 countries, 30 countries, mostly we reach generally. But thanks to Udemy for making our courses to reach to 141 countries. So you can check S4HANA interview questions. 19 videos are available. Please watch it. And SAP S4HANA content, we have mix of videos, project methodologies, latest things, everything is available in this playlist. Definitely you can watch it. And the basic navigation, the beginners, like how to navigate SAP, how to log off shortcuts, login shortcuts, font changes, all those things are available. And SAP transport request. In this playlist, I explained how to create a request, how to release the request, how to change the description before release, after release. All these combinations are available. Definitely, it will be helpful whether you are going to work in implementation or support or ECC or S4HANA. Everywhere it will be helpful. If you are someone who is working on WM, you can WM interview preparation related videos are there. And this is the one which I expected that it will rock like anything. But unfortunately, it didn't reach to the maximum people. SAP real-time business videos on whiteboard. There are 13 videos are there. I explained how does real procurement happens, how does what is the business process of subcontracting, consignment, third party, STO, multiple business process are explained without talking too much about our SAP transaction codes level. As a business analyst, you need to understand the business process. So today SAP, you may work tomorrow something else, some other cloud product. But if you're confident that how does the procurement happens, who pay the tax to a company, and what is input tax, what is output tax, what is the shipping instructions, all these terminologies are globally used terminologies in the supply chain management complete system. Whether you are using SAP or Oracle or AWS, Salesforce, whatever the systems you are using. But if you are confident enough to explain a business process, to understand the business process, to understand the pain points of the client, then definitely you will give a better solution and you can run, whether artificial intelligence will come or whatever comes. See, just one example I will tell you that. Few years back, when you order a food in Zomato or Swiggy, we might get for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, whatever time. So now people want rapid, quick. Okay. So even the big basket, they're sending in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. How can they achieve that one? Because they connected to all the different supermarkets, small stores. They have the database in their system. When a person with certain pin code ordered the products, because in big basket is best example. I think Zomato, Swiggy, we cannot give a good example for this case, because in Zomato, Swiggy, you are selecting the restaurant which you want, which may be 10 kilometers for whatever your choice, right? But in case of big basket and all, you select the products, you don't select the exact vendor. What does this big basket will do? So these are all happening because of the latest technologies. It can be artificial intelligence, it can be machine learning, it can be the latest how you're tracking the locations and all these kind of systems, IoT. But what is happening when you select the product, your pin code, big basket has in certain city, okay, let's take Vishakhapatnam. Big basket is tied up with take 300 small stores or supermarkets, 300. So when you select, a customer has selected at 10 a.m. from a pin code, so in that pin code surrounding shortest distances, he will take it the 4-5 stores, which is 5 minutes from your place or 2 minutes from your place or 3 minutes, whatever distance, the shortest one. In the 5 who is available immediately, who took the order and all, they're going to send you within 20 minutes, 15 minutes. That's what happening. So when your accuracy is increasing, the system is working more. So that departmental stores is getting information that this is the delivery, send immediately. But what is happening in the backend, that can be AI. That's what I was mentioning, that one. Ordering and how to buy and how to do the payment gateway related things. Either any tax, GST you need to pay, and the GST calculation. All these functionalities are similar. These kind of acceleration things can reduce certain jobs, but if you are very strong in the process knowledge, business process knowledge, and understand the system, little adaptability of new things, then you don't have to worry. But overall, with my experience, but I know it's best, but I may not be able to enjoy what I see and what I experience a little bit. So I took something to passionate, and God has given me this SAP content creation, which made me to financially to depend like completely financially stable, and to work on my passion, to learn to do what I want. Otherwise, we have to suffer whether we like the job or not, whatever you need to do, right? But ideally, at some point of time, if you have little leadership skills, if you have interest, please enhance it, because that will be helpful in multiple cases. And technologies drastically may change after 40-45. You may not be able to learn new technologies or new things, then you may face little bit. That's why I was mentioning in my podcast that when you reach that stage, either you become very good in management or getting business, or something, the process mentoring multiple people that can multiple your value, right? Alone you cannot do more than 10 things, but if you guide 100 people, each person is doing 5, then you are giving 500. Output is coming because of your mentorship, because of your guidance, because of your leading certain area. So that's where the success is there. So you learn and watch that video and keep learning, enjoy traveling, enjoy your food, take care of your health. Okay, and I have to say thanks to SAP. It gave me one more like enjoyable thing for me, that is traveling. So I travel 10 countries, and even I want to travel 14 states in India. I want to travel remaining 15, and I want to travel few more countries. Thanks to SAP for making that one. And other passion, most of you who follow me for many years, plantation, helping poor people, and nowadays recently reducing plastic. So that's the cloth bags we have. I posted, some of you might be watching. So wherever you have a passion, but all passion may not give the additional income. For me, the SAP content creation, enjoyment, happiness, satisfaction in helping people, and financially helping with some passive income, and helping for my work. Because when you're enthusiastic to learn new things, understanding the process, it helps a lot to our work, right? When you talk to a new consultant, when you talk to a business head, okay, you're going to a client place, and they're all general manager or business heads are there. When they're asking about the process, you're confidently explaining about the process and the pros and cons, how to improve. If you give that kind of a confident explanation to them, the trust will be generated. They will say that one, yes, we want Ganesh for the next project, or otherwise we want Ganesh to come to on-site for explaining. So that kind of trust, when can it come? When you are having good knowledge. If you're not having command on SAP, you don't have a command on their business process, you went to a client place, you're explaining something, they are out of their questions, you're not able to answer, your explanation is not good, all are minus, then who will grow? Correct, right? Few people are extremely good, we may not be able to that kind of extremely best, but if you do your proper hard work, you can definitely do good things. So let's see few of the questions. You're an EWM, how can I prepare for interview? So you can check for a few EWM. I think Study You, Ram is uploading few EWM videos, and you can check in a few EWM Shastri. I think some more one thing from he is also having some EWM things. You can definitely plan for that. I have not yet made EWM content. I made WM and MM. Most of you know that. So, but we have not yet made that EWM things. If I make, definitely I will share with all of you. Hi Vinith. Hi Aditya. Yes, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Hi Chakravarti, and all of the 16 people who are in line online now. Thanks for 100 views, and I hope a few of you people are. If you're busy with something else, you can come later and watch this live, because it will be available in public. so that definitely the inputs will be helpful. So which are the modules should learn along with MM for good growth? Yeah, these are the questions when I listen, when I see that one, I feel little bad because the same question. Let me copy your question. I copied your question. Let's not disturb our thing. So what are the SAP modules? I put a question, giving something, or you can just add inside asset module SAP MM for good growth. And if you just give Ganesh Padala name, you will get that the best SAP modules for MM consultants. You can watch this video. I explained what are the different modules are there, how to choose based on the interest, based on the market. Whatever text you keep it, just put Ganesh Padala or Ganesh, so that if there is a video relevant to that, you will definitely get that. Yeah, you're welcome, Akhilesh. And yeah, all of you also, I expect support from you. What kind of support? I do lot of charity. Okay, but a few people send me that emails also that we want to join. I'm not running any NGO or anything because I don't know when I leave the full-time job and all. I don't know when will I plan. I don't know. But for now, I'm doing a lot of charity activities. But just as a standalone, if you get inspired for a plantation from the month of July, please do plantation in your society or in your village. Share the photo to my email. I will be happy someone is getting inspired. Or else you go to your village and find some 5 6 people who are interested to the plantation. Buy only 5 plants, 2 3 years of age plants, not the very small one. Give to them. Or else you are inspired with our helping to orphan, poor people and all. You don't have to give to someone and all. Go to your nearest orphanage or go to your society or somewhere. Any maids kids will be there. You can buy few books or you can buy a nice school bag. Whatever you can do it. So that will definitely it will make an impact. So I inspire, I request you people to do to your people only, your locality people or your village people. See, you are working in Hyderabad, you have a village, your parents are staying there. You are inspired with my charity activities. You don't have to join with me, or you don't have to do or send someone to money and all. Don't do it. Whatever money, for example, 5,000 you want to do, take the 5,000 rupees. When you go to village or with your parents, you do something in your village, that will give a satisfaction to your parents and also happiness. So you are doing in your village only. Plantation or avoid plastic. You want to have a cloth bags, you want to make it, you can put your grandfather name or whatever you wanted to keep it. So that name keeping sticker, everything is a temporary. Today you want to keep it your grandfather, tomorrow you may want to keep it your kid name, what, that's all changing. Tomorrow you may lose the interest to keep the name itself, but the intention to help, intention towards society, intense, yeah, what you call responsibility towards environment, that is important. Okay, please do that one. If you really want to support me, share our YouTube videos with your circle. If you really want to support financially, go to our Udemy channel, check the links which I have provided. You can buy the courses. If you want complete SAP MM or WM content, send the email so that I will share the details related to the MM and WM content. Okay, so learn, grow, let others, help others to grow. ECC and S4 HANA differences, we already made the one course on that. Artificial intelligence wise, we are seeing few things in SAP BTP. Definitely, once I get some command and proper thing, definitely I will share. So this is our course, SAP ECC and S4 HANA differences. You can come to this Ganesh SAP SCM. You always see that Udemy related courses. This is the course. You can definitely plan it. I explained about ECC S4 HANA differences, and whenever I learn a new difference, I will add that the bytes to our course. That facility is available for this course. Data migration related to MM and WM modules, because nowadays we are getting more opportunities. Yeah, sure. Currently, we have for LSNW related and the migration cockpit, right? In S4HANA that I'm exploring now. I hope in 2 months maybe we will come up with migration cockpit videos that will be helpful to all the members who are working in ECC to S4HANA migration or a fresh S4HANA project. I'm in exploring stage to know the multiple options and all. Just wish me to release the video at least by August. Okay, at least July to August I'm planning to release, so just bless me for that. And currently if you want to know that how the data migration works, implementation, cutover and all, this is our course. You can check it and learn. See, even when you see it here, right, you can see that all are SAP MM related. Whether you want to learn only the batch management subcontracting, you can take this course, or you want to learn only ECC to S4HANA differences, you can take this. You want to learn only implementation, you want to learn only support with sample support tickets, then you can take this one. So based on the topic you can learn, you can upgrade your skills. So I hope whoever is in online, please share our videos on LinkedIn, and if you are on LinkedIn you can connect to me. And here you can see that Ganesh Padala, you can come to our LinkedIn and search as Ganesh Padala. You can send me the request and also follow me. Or request accepting is a little difficult because you know, right, in LinkedIn after crossing 30,000 you cannot have more connections. If I really wanted to have someone as my connection, I delete few people, I search for some Java or some relevant irrelevant people, and then I accept it. But you can follow me. There is no limit for followers. You can follow. I'm fortunate enough, we have 60,000 followers, one of the top followers in SAP domain. This gave me an opportunity to reach more people and to help more people. You can see the impressions and all, how we have a last 7 days 80,000 post impressions. So this is an opportunity. When we grow, the network will help to many people. Either job postings, few people can be helpful, a few people can be benefited. There are multiple ways we can. So yeah, someone asked me that one. He got a Germany visa. He's our follower. He met me in Hyderabad also. So I just posted him. His luck, any opportunities in Germany. But main thing is when you go for Germany opportunities, right? They expect the better German speaking. So that's the thing. Otherwise, Germany has a few good opportunities. But yeah, this is the things like. How we can help people, sharing knowledge, sharing job opportunities. Okay, there are multiple ways. You can connect me, you can follow me on LinkedIn, share our videos with your circle. So keep learning and always have an attitude to grow, to learn. Oh, plantation, yeah. If you have an interest in about plantation, just watch out few of the videos where I explained about my past and present plantation. I'm excited to do this time in one other village in the month of July. Every year since 2016, I have been doing the plantation. Few years we saw some success, few years completely failure. But anyway, overall, it's a journey. We need to do it. It's a very difficult task. It's not something to go and buy whatever expensive mobile or expensive laptop, whatever. It's not like that. We have to buy the plant, then we have to put at least 2 years of efforts to grow and to make it. So that's about that one. And functional support, there are support tickets videos are there, MRP videos, standard reports, what are different standard reports, how to navigate SAP standard reports, those are all available in this video. LinkedIn, how to grow, how to connect to recruiters, how to connect to SAP network, I explained in these LinkedIn suggestions. So you cannot imagine that how much passion, how many number of hours are spent to make these videos. Respect, come and learn. Everything will be helpful for you. So global certification, if you want to do a certification, any changes to the certification, those things are available here. SAP org structure, Excel. So 19 videos during data migration. Someone mentioned that when we are getting more data migration. If you are working data migration, you must watch these Excel videos. Otherwise, you will struggle a lot to do the VLOOKUP, but to do some kind of a mapping, to kind of a duplicate checking, all these things you will struggle. or else everything you have to go to Google kind of thing. And we have function module. Okay, function module, 6 videos are available, IDOC videos are available, real-time project related videos are there, service procurement, charity. If you want to get inspired, if you want to watch certain things, we have charity videos. Definitely you can watch our charity videos. And success stories, if you want to see your to see yourself on our channel, you can make 1 minute video by explaining how our videos helped your career, or how did you make utilization, like how did you utilize our videos for your career growth. Anything, you can just talk for 40 minutes, so 40 seconds to 55 seconds. You can make a video, I will upload on our channel. So that will be a memory. See, when I just take it right, most of the
Ganesh,
people I never
hearty
met it,
congratulations on reaching
and most of the people I never met it, and a few people we met or we may not meet in our entire life. But when I see these videos, okay, this is from 2016, 17, 18. Oh, I met there in Bangalore. So these are all memories for me to cherish and to remember in the future. If you have a wish to see yourself on our channel, make a video. I will upload in this success stories of Ganesh Padala. And MMWM integration videos are there. Okay, and videos for function consultants, how to do the tables, those kind of things. Latest videos, MMFI integration, MMWM integration, WMSD integration, WMRF device related videos. So many videos are available. So you come and check what topic you want, what you wanted to learn, and utilize it. This is the way how you can utilize, how you can enhance your skills: master data, purchasing, inventory management. All these videos are available. And if you sir, many playlists are there, how can I know? Then come to ganeshsapscm.com and come to this search, select free library, click on search. There is a link in this blog. I have given our PDF document, 3 pages PDF document, which has all the playlists links are there. If you want to focus on ECC S4HANA MM, these are the videos. Warehouse management, these are the videos. Career suggestions. So you can use this one, and I'm pasting the link in our live stream. Okay, you can use this one to download it. Yeah, I don't have a plans to give a live training, but if you really need it, I can refer someone from our close circle, because I don't tie up with any institute and all, because we are busy with our work. Whenever we get some time, we make the content and interact with people. These are all like, see, interacting with different people on LinkedIn or YouTube or WhatsApp, few of the students. That's like, for me, like interacting, like talking to friends, that kind of a feel. And making a video or sharing knowledge is like watching a web series. So my enjoyment has become the priorities. That's why we are making these many content and reaching to all of you. But one-to-one classes or even online classes, no plans for now. In the future, I don't know, maybe I may do it. Then I will definitely announce to all of you. At that point of time, I need your support also. Okay, but for now, I can refer someone if you really want it. Restart whiteboard videos. Currently, we have 13 whiteboard processes are there. Okay, that 13 videos didn't even reach to enough people. So how can you get a motivation that whether the content is being helpful to the more people? So whoever want whiteboard videos, go to the playlist and keep sharing the videos with your circle. If I see more comments, more compliments, more feedback, more people are asking that one, can you make whiteboard videos on this process? Then I will definitely plan. I want more comments with the request of uh, with this process, this business process, can you explain on whiteboard? Even I bought on digital whiteboard also, but I'm just checking for that. See, the finally how much time we effort to prepare. If people will make a movie for lot of hard work, if people didn't watch it, then we don't make the same content again, right? a similar way. But whiteboard videos are well reached, but it's not up to the mark. I expected because lot of people are lacking the business knowledge. A lot of people are lacking that depth of business skills. Just learning, and nowadays the quality of preparation also come down because people are not practicing in idea system, just watching videos or reading some document or preparing interview questions. After getting job, they want to practice. Then what you are going to do in your work? Please practice. Please practice. If you don't practice, you will definitely your way of explanation will look fake or will look only bookish knowledge. It will look like just you're reading some interview questions and answers, but not really understand the process, really practicing the process. So please do that one. And whoever the fans of whiteboard videos, 13 videos are there. Make those 13 videos to share with your circle, and let me see at least 10 comments with the request of whiteboard videos. Definitely I will plan any new business process, and I'm happy if you can put the process also. Can you make whiteboard video on this process, end-to-end process? Definitely I will plan. We are going to complete our live in 10 minutes. So if you have any questions or anything, if you want to ask, you can ask me. So thanks, Gaurav. Thanks, Shivaji. Thanks, everyone, for joining. Check our videos, playlist, use this free library. This link you can circulate to the maximum people. I hope most of you will get benefit out of our content. And connect me, follow me on LinkedIn. If you are searching for a job, you can share the details and the link so that I will post for you. I hope anyone from our 60,000 LinkedIn followers can help you. But we should have intention to help people, then you will get the more help from other people. But if you only remember people when you have some requirement, then you will lose the value. That's in your friends or family, anyone. Every time you are calling a person only when you need something, when you need some money, when you need some help, when you need some information, the person will see that when this person will only, he will never call for say how are you, or how is the work, when are you coming to India, what are you doing. So such kind of a people we can easily identify. Those people don't have to call every day to ask her every week. Once in a while also we can identify. But if you're only remembering for some job, when you remember a person only when you need some solution, you remember a person only when you need a document, you remember a person only when you want to change the job. In normal time, we don't ever share. I ask many times to share my videos, or many times I ask to what you call provide ratings to our Udemy courses, and but nothing. But when you have some requirement, you reach me. So that will for YouTube and all. That's what I was always mentioning like that one, because in YouTube I don't know many one, thousands of people watch it. So I don't know, few hundred people are sharing and all, but overall it is accumulated. But when we have a limited people on WhatsApp, okay, friends or students friends, the old students friends, from last 10 years, 95% or 99% of my friends are our students only, like are from our SAP only, because we don't have any other world. Family, wife, kid, home, office, SAP network. In office we have very few people will be there, and we may not make much thing, maybe 2 3 people we will talk like that. But the huge network I'm coming from the SAP. In that SAP people, few people are becoming friends. Okay, in the last 5 6 cities I met few people. So that's where the circle is coming. So generally remember people, if you really have a friend means you talk, not only just talk when you need it. So good luck to everyone. Thanks for your time. And this is a casual interaction. I hope you got few inputs. And please comment with your topics or suggestions or any improvements. I want to grow. That's for sure, right? I want to grow my audience. I want to grow my subscribers. I have a multiple things for earning, work, investments, or some other passive income, whatever we have. But getting blessings wise, YouTube is the number one. So I want to grow more people. I want to help more people. You have seen here 800 plus videos are there. 1,000 people, 10,000 people. Okay, 10,000. How many people watch the video? Nobody. There is no limit actually. So that more people you can watch it. And consignment, we have a consignment course on Udemy. Okay, you can come here. Consignment and pipeline. Okay, so these both are having similarities with respect to invoice settlement. Of course, pipeline doesn't need PO, consignment needs the PO. You can enroll this course. Okay, and if you're an active follower, sometimes I share free coupons also. Okay, free coupon links also I share. So thanks to all. If you came to our channel for the first time, subscribe to our channel. And let me give you some special for the people who are in online. Let me share. So this course I'm giving for free to the people. Okay. Consignment pipeline course is available for free. The latest link you can check it. Whoever in online, whoever joined for the live stream, you can enjoy the free Udemy course. Enroll immediately. It may be expired in 2 3 days. So yeah, enroll immediately, but you can learn whenever you want. There is no time limit for learning. But enrolling it will expire. So Vinith, you can enroll that course. I have shared that last link is a free link. And keep sharing, keep helping each other, keep growing. Take care of your parents, take care of your health. If we are healthy, we can do a lot in our life. Otherwise, we cannot do anything. If I'm not healthy, I cannot talk like this. I won't get that interest to do it. Okay, yesterday we were doing the month end activities till late night and all, but still, okay, let's connect. It's been a long time, so let's talk to the people. Okay. Anyway, this is the June month, birthday month. Generally, I plan for a live on birthday. Definitely, this time also I will plan at least some time. Thanks again for all of your blessings, for all of your prayers for my good health. Thanks. See you soon with my birthday live. Thank you.